Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making blackened salmon. You will need 2 pounds of salmon, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of paprika, 1/2 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 2 teaspoons of salt. In a small bowl, combine your onion powder, brown sugar, and cayenne pepper. Now add the salt and paprika. Now add the oregano, basil, thyme, white pepper, and black pepper, then mix until well combined. Generously coat your salmon with your olive oil on both sides. Now season your salmon with your seasoned blend on both sides, then place them on a wire rack. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Add your salmon to the pan and allow them to cook for 4 minutes on each side. After 8 minutes, your salmon is ready to serve. This is an easy but delicious recipe for blackened salmon. I really hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.